Even with extensive experience, continued learning and networking are critical in the electrical industry. Recognizing the importance of these aspects allows for expanding knowledge, gaining credibility, building a network of experts, and improving reputation. Firstly, consider the expansion of knowledge. Encountering unfamiliar installations and seeking guidance from experts enriches understanding of the industry's complexities. The electrical field is constantly evolving, with new technologies, codes, and regulations emerging regularly. Relying solely on past experiences can lead to overlooking critical details or misinterpreting new requirements. Seeking out new information and perspectives ensures a comprehensive understanding of current industry standards and best practices. For example, changes to the National Electrical Code, or NEC, are released every 3 years, and staying updated on these revisions is essential for ensuring compliance and safety. Secondly, consider gaining credibility. The ability to identify and resolve issues that others may not have recognized demonstrates professionalism and competence. Demonstrating a commitment to continuous learning showcases a dedication to excellence and a desire to provide the best possible service. This builds trust with clients, colleagues, and the public, enhancing professional standing. Identifying potential hazards or code violations that others might miss reinforces the importance of thoroughness and attention to detail, further solidifying credibility. Thirdly, let's delve into building a network of experts. Reaching out to individuals allows for establishing valuable connections and gaining access to specialized knowledge and expertise. No single individual can possess expertise in every aspect of the electrical industry. Building a network of trusted colleagues, mentors, and specialists provides access to a wealth of knowledge and experience that can be invaluable when faced with complex or unfamiliar situations. These connections can serve as a sounding board for ideas, a source of guidance when encountering challenges, and a valuable resource for staying up to date on industry trends. Networking also facilitates collaboration on projects, allowing for the pooling of resources and expertise to achieve optimal results. Fourthly, consider improving reputation. A willingness to acknowledge areas where support is needed and seeking guidance enhances credibility and respect among colleagues. Admitting limitations and seeking help when necessary demonstrates humility and a commitment to providing the best possible outcome, even if it means relying on the expertise of others. This transparency fosters a culture of collaboration and mutual respect, strengthening relationships with colleagues and clients. It also demonstrates a willingness to learn and grow, which is highly valued in any profession. Fifthly, protecting the public is a significant aspect. Understanding the latest advancements and best practices helps ensure the safety and integrity of electrical installations for the benefit of the public. Electrical installations that are not properly designed, installed, or maintained can pose serious risks to public safety, including electric shock, fire, and equipment failure. Staying informed about the latest safety standards, codes, and best practices is essential for preventing these hazards and protecting the well-being of the community. This includes understanding the proper grounding and bonding techniques, selecting appropriate overcurrent protection devices, and ensuring compliance with all applicable regulations. Continuous learning and networking ensures the safety and integrity of electrical installations for the benefit of the public. In summary, commitment to continuous learning and networking enables staying abreast of industry trends, expanding knowledge, building reputation, and ultimately contributing to the well-being of the community. Consider that the National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA 7T, also known as the National Electrical Code, is a widely adopted standard for electrical installations in the United States. It outlines the requirements for safe electrical design, installation, and inspection. Familiarity with the NEC is essential for all electrical professionals to ensure compliance and prevent electrical hazards. The NEC is updated every 3 years to reflect the latest advancements in electrical technology and safety practices. The code covers a wide range of topics, including wiring methods, overcurrent protection, grounding, and equipment installation. It provides detailed specifications for electrical systems in residential, commercial, and industrial buildings. Understanding the NEC is crucial for ensuring the safety and reliability of electrical installations and protecting people and property from electrical hazards. Additionally, consider the importance of electrical safety in the workplace. According to the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, or OSHA, electrical hazards are a leading cause of workplace injuries and fatalities. Employers are required to provide a safe working environment for their employees, including protecting them from electrical hazards. This includes providing adequate training on electrical safety practices, using appropriate personal protective equipment, and ensuring that electrical equipment is properly maintained and inspected. Employees should be aware of the potential electrical hazards in their workplace and follow safety procedures to prevent accidents. Common electrical hazards in the workplace include contact with energized parts, arc flash, and electrical shock. Proper grounding, insulation, and guarding of electrical equipment can help to reduce the risk of these hazards. Regular inspections of electrical systems and equipment can also help to identify and correct potential problems before they lead to accidents. Furthermore, consider the advancements in electrical technology. The electrical industry is constantly evolving, with new technologies and innovations emerging regularly. These advancements can improve the efficiency, reliability, and safety of electrical systems. Examples of recent advancements in electrical technology include smart grids, renewable energy sources, and energy-efficient lighting. Smart grids use advanced communication and control technologies to improve the efficiency and reliability of electricity delivery. Renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, are becoming increasingly popular as a way to reduce dependence on fossil fuels and mitigate climate change. Energy-efficient lighting technologies, such as LED lighting, can significantly reduce energy consumption and save money. Staying abreast of these advancements is essential for electrical professionals to remain competitive and provide the best possible service to their clients. This includes attending industry conferences, reading trade publications, and participating in continuing education courses. By embracing new technologies, electrical professionals can improve the performance of electrical systems, reduce energy consumption, and enhance safety. Let's also consider the role of electrical inspections. Electrical inspections are an important part of ensuring the safety and compliance of electrical installations. Electrical inspectors are responsible for verifying that electrical systems are installed according to code and that they meet safety standards. They conduct inspections of residential, commercial, and industrial buildings to identify potential hazards and ensure that electrical systems are safe for use. Electrical inspections are typically required before a new building can be occupied or when significant electrical work is performed. Inspectors may also conduct periodic inspections of existing buildings to ensure that electrical systems are being properly maintained. The scope of an electrical inspection can vary depending on the type of building and the nature of the electrical work. However, all electrical inspections should include a thorough examination of the wiring, grounding, overcurrent protection, and other critical components of the electrical system. Electrical inspectors play a vital role in protecting public safety by ensuring that electrical systems are installed and maintained to meet safety standards. Now let's talk about electrical codes and standards. Electrical codes and standards are a set of rules and guidelines that govern the design, installation, and maintenance of electrical systems. These codes and standards are developed by organizations such as the National Fire Protection Association, the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, and Underwriters Laboratories. The purpose of electrical codes and standards is to ensure the safety and reliability of electrical systems and to protect people and property from electrical hazards. Electrical codes and standards cover a wide range of topics, including wiring methods, overcurrent protection, grounding, and equipment installation. They provide detailed specifications for electrical systems in residential, commercial, and industrial buildings. Compliance with electrical codes and standards is typically required by law, and electrical inspectors are responsible for verifying that electrical systems are installed according to code. The NEC is the most widely adopted electrical code in the United States. It is updated every 3 years to reflect the latest advancements in electrical technology and safety practices. Let's also explore continuing education for electricians. Continuing education is essential for electricians to stay up to date on the latest codes, standards, and technologies. The electrical industry is constantly evolving, and electricians must continually learn new skills and knowledge to remain competitive and provide the best possible service to their clients. Continuing education courses can cover a wide range of topics, including the NEC, electrical safety, renewable energy, and energy efficiency. These courses can be taken online, in person, or through a combination of both. Many states require electricians to complete a certain number of continuing education hours each year to maintain their licenses. Continuing education can help electricians to improve their skills, expand their knowledge, and advance their careers. It can also help them to stay safe on the job and to provide the best possible service to their clients. Furthermore, let's consider the importance of electrical safety training. Electrical safety training is essential for anyone who works with or around electricity. This training can help to prevent electrical accidents and injuries by teaching people how to identify and avoid electrical hazards. Electrical safety training should cover a wide range of topics, including the dangers of electricity, how to work safely with electricity, and how to respond to electrical emergencies. This training should be tailored to the specific needs of the individuals being trained and should be regularly updated to reflect the latest safety standards and practices. Electrical safety training can be provided by employers, trade associations, or independent training providers. It is important to choose a training provider that is qualified and experienced in providing electrical safety training. Electrical safety training can help to create a safer workplace and to protect people from the electrical hazards. Now let's look at grounding and bonding. Grounding and bonding are essential safety measures in electrical systems. Grounding provides a low impedance path for fault current to flow back to the source, which helps to trip the circuit breaker or fuse and to energize the circuit. Bonding connects all metal parts of an electrical system together to create an equipotential plane, which helps to prevent electric shock. Grounding and bonding are required by the NEC and other electrical codes and standards. Proper grounding and bonding can help to prevent electrical shock, fire, and equipment damage. Grounding and bonding should be performed by qualified electricians and should be inspected regularly to ensure that they are functioning properly. Let's also consider arc flash hazards. Arc flash is a dangerous electrical phenomenon that can occur when there is a short circuit or other electrical fault. Arc flash can produce extremely high temperatures, intense light, and a pressure wave that can cause serious injuries or death. Arc flash hazards are common in industrial and commercial electrical systems. Employers are required to conduct arc flash hazard assessments to identify potential arc flash hazards in their workplace and to provide employees with the appropriate personal protective equipment, or PPE. Employees who work with or around electricity should be trained on arc flash hazards and how to protect themselves from arc flash injuries. Arc flash protection includes wearing flame-resistant clothing, gloves, and eye protection. It also includes using insulated tools and equipment and following safe work practices. Let's examine electrical troubleshooting. Electrical troubleshooting is the process of identifying and resolving electrical problems. This process typically involves using a multimeter or other testing equipment to measure voltage, current, and resistance. Electrical troubleshooting requires a thorough understanding of electrical circuits and components. It also requires the ability to read and interpret electrical schematics. Electrical troubleshooting is a skill that is developed through experience and training. Electricians who are skilled in troubleshooting can quickly identify and resolve electrical problems, which can save time and money. Electrical troubleshooting is an essential skill for all electricians. Finally, let's discuss the NEC Table 310.15b16. The NEC Table 310.15b16 provides ampacity ratings for conductors based on their size, insulation type, and installation conditions. The ampacity of a conductor is the maximum amount of current that it can safely carry without overheating. The NEC Table 310.15b16 is used to determine the appropriate size conductor to use for a particular application. The table takes into account the ambient temperature, the number of conductors in a raceway, and other factors that can affect the ampacity of a conductor. It is important to consult the NEC Table 310.15b16 when selecting conductors to ensure that they are adequately sized for the intended application. Using conductors that are too small can lead to overheating, which can cause insulation damage, fire, and equipment failure.